We are Aptech Group, one of Bangladesh's leading garments manufacturers. We produce around 2 million garments a month for international brands like Gavi, New Yorker, Celio, and Jules. Over the years, we have expanded while maintaining our focus on quality, efficiency, and sustainability. Our entire facility is Platinum LEED certified and runs mostly on solar panel power and wastewater recycled through a biological ETP and reused for gardening and cleaning. We also use a natural hanger drying system that saves a huge amount of energy, helping make Aptech Group a benchmark for sustainable manufacturing in Bangladesh. Our priority has always been to stay ahead of changing buyers' demands while keeping operations consistent and sustainable.
Power reliability was a constant challenge. Short outages broke production flow and affected production efficiency. We needed a cleaner, more stable setup that would maintain efficiency and ensure continuous operations. Rolls-Royce brought global expertise and understood the local ground realities. They studied our setup, identified what was needed, and designed a natural gas system that delivers stable power with lower emissions and consistent performance.
Natural gas-powered genset offers excellent flexibility, especially in comparison to grid and diesel balancing, while ticking off the sustainability box. Our MTU 12V4000L64FNER provided a direct fit, delivering high efficiency and low life cycle costs.
L&T Energy Solution is the official distributor of Rolls-Royce in Bangladesh for M2 products and solutions. When we met with the big boss corporation leaders, we took note not only the business challenges, but investigated pain points in the entire process.
The implementation was carried out in a phased approach with key milestones, which integrates the 400-volt gas generators, 11 kV grid, and 400-volt diesel generator. This ensures efficient and uninterrupted power supply, improving both reliability and stability. It also offers real-time monitoring, efficient load management, and minimizes blackout risk.
We haven't faced a single unplanned stoppage since the installation. Power stability has helped us maintain production efficiency and keep deliveries consistent. Energy costs has come down up to 35 to 40%, and the system runs efficiently with minimal maintenance. It has been a true partnership from the start. This collaboration has strengthened our reliability and sustainability. It has reinforced confidence amongst our buyers who see that we are investing in cleaner, smarter, and solutions that are supporting consistent and responsible production. We're expanding the model across the new facilities at Aptech Industrial Park, combining natural gas with renewable energy to reduce grid reliance. The goal is to grow smarter, cleaner, and self-sufficiently as we scale up.